Take a look around. Everything around you, from the phone that you play games on, to the classroom that you're sitting in, to the devices that you use to complete your assignments and projects, they all take some amazing skills to create. But where do people learn these skills? That's where STEM comes in. STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and math. And it's a pretty big deal. Whether it's building robots, designing video games, or figuring out how to get us to Mars, STEM is how we make it all work. Science, technology, engineering, and math are areas of study that help us solve problems, create new things, and make the world a better place. Now that we know what STEM stands for, by the way, what does it stand for? Let me hear it. Okay, you got it. Science, technology, engineering, and math. Let's take a closer look at how each part of STEM can open up amazing opportunities. Think of it like a treasure map. Each area of STEM is like a different path that leads you to exciting discoveries, skills, and even careers that you can follow. So let's explore each path and see what you can learn and where it can take you. Let's start this journey with science. Science is about understanding how things work in the world around us, from how plants grow to how the weather changes. As you take science courses, you can gain skills like critical thinking, problem solving, and observation skills. For example, understanding how plants grow teaches you to think logically and test ideas, which helps you to solve problems in science and beyond. Science careers are all about exploring the world around us and discovering how everything works. Here are some exciting paths you could follow. Like a biochemist. Biochemists study living things on a tiny scale, helping create new medicines and ways to keep us healthy. And then there's also the forensic science technician. Have you ever watched a crime show? Forensic scientists solve real-life mysteries by studying evidence like fingerprints and DNA. Next, let's talk about technology. Technology is the use of tools and machines to make our lives easier, like phones, computers, and even video games. When taking technology courses, you can pick up technical skills like learning how to use different types of tools and digital technologies. It can also enhance your creativity and your adaptability by staying up to date with new technology and learning how to use the new devices quickly. Tech careers are where creativity meets technology. These innovators are shaping the future with computers and gadgets. For example, game developers create the characters, worlds, and challenges in the video games we love to play. And a machine learning engineer designs systems that get smarter over time, like the apps that suggest your next favorite song. Speaking of designs, let's talk about engineering. Engineering is about designing and building things like bridges, robots, or even roller coasters. Engineers have skills in design thinking, which means to understand how to design things that solve problems. They are also innovative and they enjoy collaboration or working with others to bring ideas to life. For example, building a robot might seem very complicated, but it teaches you how to break down big tasks into smaller, manageable steps, just like engineers do. Engineering careers are all about turning big ideas into real-world inventions that make life better for everyone. A biomedical engineer designs life-changing devices like prosthetics and medical machines to help doctors and patients. And civil engineers build the roads, bridges, and buildings that shape the world around us, making it safer and more accessible. And finally, let's talk numbers. Mathematics is the study of numbers and shapes that help us solve problems and make decisions. Whether you're counting your allowance or calculating how fast a rocket needs to go to get to the moon. Make sure you're paying close attention in your math classes because you can gain skills like problem solving, like using numbers and formulas to solve real-world problems, logical reasoning, and data analysis, while organizing and interpreting information, whether you're working on graphs or making sense of large amounts of data. In math careers, numbers are the key to solving real problems and making smart decisions that impact the world. Like a data analyst, they love finding patterns in numbers to help companies and teams make better decisions. Or an actuary, they use math to predict risk, like how much insurance should cost or how to prepare for future events. Now, after hearing about all of those amazing careers and skills that you can gain in STEM, hopefully you understand why it's so important to learn about STEM. But if not, you know we're going to talk about it now. Studying STEM is super important because it helps us to understand the world around us, and it opens up so many exciting opportunities for the future. Imagine if we didn't have scientists, engineers, or tech experts. No phones, computers, or cool inventions like robots or video games would exist. The world would be way less fun and full of challenges that we couldn't solve. STEM helps us solve real problems. Think about all the problems that we face, like pollution or even traffic jams. STEM helps us come up with solutions to these challenges. Scientists study climate change, engineers design eco-friendly cars, and tech experts create new apps to help us live better lives. STEM also offers a variety of careers. There are so many cool jobs in STEM that pay really well. You could be a robot designer, a doctor who uses tech to save lives, or even an astronaut who goes to the moon. The best part, many of these jobs are really fun and exciting. STEM also helps you to think differently. STEM teaches you how to think logically, solve problems, and work through challenges. These skills help you no matter what you want to do in the future, whether it's building a new game, designing a school project, or even planning your future career. STEM really can help you change the world. And are you ready for the best part of STEM? It can be found near you. STEM opportunities are waiting for you, whether it be in the science field at a hospital, pharmacy, or a physical therapy clinic, or maybe it's in technology with web development, home theater systems, or even device repair. And our area is well known for engineering, whether it's in a factory, at the nuclear plant, or in construction. And don't forget about math. You'll see it with financial services, bookkeeping and taxes, and even in education. STEM is a part of your everyday life, and it can lead you to a bright future. Whether you want to be an engineer, a scientist, a tech expert, or an accountant, there are opportunities out there, and Gear Up can help you take the first steps. So, are you ready to start exploring STEM? Ask your teachers or guardians about how you can get involved with the Gear Up program, and let's see where STEM can take you. For more information about STEM or the Gear Up program, visit www.atu.edu.